Look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. Albert Einstein. The clearest way into the universe is through a forest wilderness. John Muir. Nature always wears the colors of the spirit. Ralph Waldo Emerson. The earth has music for those who listen. William Shakespeare. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Lao Tzu. Nature is not a place to visit, it is home. Gary Snyder. I took a walk in the woods and came out taller than the trees. Henry David Thoreau. Nature is the art of God. Dante Alighieri. The butterfly counts not months but moments and has time enough. Rabindranath Tagore. The poetry of the earth is never dead. John Keats.